$12.8 thousand. Woo! Good morning in Australia. This is kind of how we start the morning every morning. It is 8:51, as you can see right there. You know, a lot of guys on here on fucking YouTube and shit love to kind of flex the lights and everything in their apartments and hotels, but you know, I kind of like to wake up to the ocean. But on some other news, it is 8:51, as I showed you earlier. We've done $2,000 for the day this far, which isn't bad. We're doing a little bit like sub 10 grand a day at the moment, but you know, you can't complain about that before 9. I actually made that roughly about like 6 a.m. so I was asleep. So the guy that actually closed that sale, I think he's pocketed about $300. And the kid's like 19 in his bedroom just fucking taking calls. So you can't complain about $300 for taking a couple of calls. So we've just done another $700. My Stripe account does this weird thing where it says like, okay, you made money, and then when you make more money, the money that you made goes away. So the money that I made earlier is showing as yesterday, even though that yesterday I did like, I think like 9.5K. And then today it's saying 700, but I made 1.7 so far. It's currently 323. I've got a couple more grand on the way. I think I've got about $3.5 thousand on the way. Not bad. This is the view, by the way. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's the ocean. Like that. This is where I work. Super surreal, but it's super windy. But this is the reality, right? I've taken a couple more calls than usual today. Normally I'm not on the phones too much. Took a couple sales calls. One guy might be giving us $6,000 on Monday, so you can't complain about that. But we'll see what happens there. Yeah, dude, it's fucking crazy how we're fucking here, right? Like, this is super fucking crazy because I come from such a poor background. Like, all these really rich people will say, oh, I make all this money, it's completely normal. You know, it's nothing. This is crazy to me every single day. Like, it's fucking surreal, and I've been doing this for a couple years now, and I've got the energy of a fucking schoolgirl. So yeah, I got a couple more student calls to get onto, got a couple more things to do, but fuck, man, not a bad fucking day. That's fucking paying for groceries, you know what I'm saying?
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world, and hatred is born in order to protect love.
By email, but he's got the money. I kind of had to crush a couple of objections. Family, I need to think about it, etc, etc. But overall, good call. I expected to close. I wasn't 100% sure, to be honest with you, that we were gonna piff. Can't complain about that on a Saturday at 10:59. So I'm gonna send him that link. We're gonna collect that cash. I'm probably not gonna film too much today. Our plans for the day from now, we're gonna go for a walk, go to the bakery, celebrate with a sausage roll, you know, how the Australians do it best. And then kind of chill out, do some shit, probably do a little bit more work, and then make some fucking pizzas. We are cooking pizzas, right? This is what we love to do on our Saturday afternoons after we make a lot of money in the week. Look how fucking gorgeous this is, man. And look how gorgeous this is as well. This is what I call the big dogs. Woo. Sheesh, look at that fire. And we'll see when it's done. Look at what we've been cooking. Alright, let's ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fucking get in there. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Get a top view. Top view of that shit. Don't cook the camera though. That is fucking insane. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna fucking cook another 5 of these, to be honest with you. But there is one thing that I do want to tell everyone watching this. First off, let's look at this. This is what it's about, right? This is what means the most to me, right? Because a lot of guys are buying the Rolexes and going to Dubai and everything to look cool. For full transparency, the only reason I got this $2 million house was because my grandma loved, you know, houses on the ocean. But sadly, she passed away a couple months ago. Money, basically. It is 3:27 p.m. On the same day, 2nd of September. Now, a couple clips ago, I showed you I did $800. Then I showed you I did, I think it was $6,000. Well, my friend, let's take a guess. How much money do you think I made? I have done 12.8. So again, like I told you, the 800 went to yesterday, even though I made it today. But on here it shows I made it today. Bang. $12.8 thousand. Woo! Pretty fucking cool. Whoever tells you that making money gets boring, they're fucking lying to you. They're only trying to act cool. And as we can obviously tell, I don't care about that. Which is a good and a bad reputation for me. But hope you're doing well. But yeah, ended off of a 12k day. This was only a couple days. I know this is a whole week in the life, but I think this is maybe like 3 days in the life of me. I want you guys to know one thing, is that wherever you want to go, there needs to be a lot of hard work. People like to think and think and think, but guess what? Thinking doesn't get the shit done. So if you're contemplating something, or you know, you're thinking about maybe potentially doing something, but you haven't fucking done it yet, I want you to know that the only way that shit's going to fucking happen is if you do it. Only you. Only if I tell this to my students as well. I can give you the resources, I can give you the toolbox. You need to be the fucking builder. You need to be the one to take the toolbox and fucking build the house, right? But yeah, I'm rambling on. I gotta do a couple more things. I gotta edit some ads, do some marketing, have some fun on my own. I actually am doing something tomorrow though, potentially, but yeah, I think this is a good time to end it. Again, I hope you guys are fucking killing it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.